So today is June 16th, 2026, and this is episode 5 and day let me check what day it is because I actually can't like remember the exact date because I didn't make some videos for the last few days. mm, So this is day 8 of building my mobile app, and this is episode 5. This is the fifth time I'm recording, and I haven't been able to make much videos for on Friday and on the weekend. Friday I was in home, and on the weekend I had some other stuff that I'm working on, so I didn't have time. And the reason I'm going this slow is that Enzo's payment is being delayed until 21st of this month. So for that, I mean, yeah, so because of that it actually is I'm working on this project a little slowly than I have to. So yeah, so today I did some some stuff that actually took my app. If it was like at like 2, then it just took it up to like 5. I tested some stuff, and I also removed the paywall because I wanted to like check how things are going, and so on and stuff like that, because I wanted to test the app. So yeah, I did it, and I also finished building my recording app, which I will be using for my work, to record my classes and stuff like that. um, so let me show you the recording app. So here you see what I built. It's called Blue Notes. The logo is something that I got from the internet. It isn't something that I made or something I came up with. And this I showed you something that's similar to this. And I even made several videos, and you hit record and allow this time, and so it starts recording. Now you wait for some time, and then you click this right here and that's where it stops recording. And we can click here and uh, watch and listen to the recording actually. So I hope that you can actually see. I mean, I think you heard it. So yeah, that's all when it comes to the mobile app. Also, the difference I made was that I actually added this where we could added this feature where we could download our recording to our gallery. Here we have the recording. I'm going to delete it for now, but yeah, that's how things went today morning. And I also worked on my a legit app that I'm working on to publish. So I'll show you that as well. I made some pretty damn good differences, and it's something according to when we look at it as in the perspective of the design. It's there the way I want it to be. So it's quite there. It's like 9.5 out of 10. So all I need to change is a little little colors and little pieces where these charts are out of out of area. So I just need to adjust a small different stuff like that. And yeah, today was the day that I made the biggest difference in my app because I removed the paywall that I had added on the first day. And then I also I also made a huge difference when it comes to the what is it called, the design, the UI of the app, which is now more like the Apple, which Apple UI, which supports which with glass UI, and shiny edges and stuff like that. So Right now I'm filling in the details for the app. I'm selecting the country key, and yes, so let me show you the app that I built. So here you could see there's a huge difference when it comes to the design, because this wasn't how it looked like. So we could add deadlines, we could save them, and we could log workouts and stuff like that as well. And I removed one feature that was really not necessary to the bar here. So I don't know what that bar is called, but I removed it anyways. And yeah, here we could see the deadlines here, and wallet really. So this is where you could add documenting information, documentation and stuff like that. And this is just like the profile section where we could um, add our name, country, visa type, term limit and break limit, stuff like that. So we could change the apps app to be light mode and to dark mode using this right here. So what I think is, I think the dark mode is pretty damn good. It is more like Apple, and it supports this Apple UI type that I'm actually working on, that I actually want. Not only this, I also made some other stuff. I actually made this document. This is the document that I made, and what this document basically does is that the things that actually consist in this document are the things that I want to improve, the things that I want to give to my next give lover, like the things I want to be there in the next prompt to improve the app, the things I want to be removed, the things I want to be added, the things I want to be changed, and things I think are way too complex to use, stuff like that. Those things are being changed and removed. Some of them are being removed, like for example, let me show you something that in this prompt is gonna be removed. So right here you could see that remove the calendar like thing from the home page on top left. So if we go here, if we go to Laravel, so right here you could see this calendar like thing. This is what I'm talking about. The same feature is down here in the taskbar, or whatever we gonna call it. So it's right here and it's here again as well. I don't want it to be in two places, and the reason is that I don't want the UI to look too complex. I want the users to easily understand what this app does and how things have to be different, and how like how things should feel like. I don't want the same feature to be in two places, because it's not something that's really helpful. And some other thing I think, some other feature some one another feature that I think will be really good is that if I could put this appearance tab where where the users could toggle dark mode and light mode in the profile section of the account of the users could toggle it in the profile section, the profile tab. So I made the document, I made the new UI, and yeah, I also made another video where I was working. So it was named Today Work, where this is more like this recording is more like a b-roll, where I keep my camera like this here, and then I'm working right here. I keep a stand here, and then I work, and and then the camera records me working. So that is what I did. I made one yesterday, and then I made two today. And yeah, I also today morning I also got this Ensource chat, because I'm not sure whether if this is gonna pay me or not, because I feel like he's delaying the payment, he's doing what he wants, he's focusing on his priorities, but that's not how it should work. If you got someone to work for you, then you should pay them without focusing on your work. So yeah, that's all I had to tell today. The software update is this is the fifth software update, and the fifth episode of the software update on day 8, and today is June 16th 2026. And yeah, that's all I had to tell when it comes to software update, because these days I'm working on my mobile work, and we're having our final project next week. So I might not be able to do so much work when it comes to the app. I mean, I'm working on it definitely each and every day because we love the prompt and so on. If something changes, I'll make a short video about that. And yeah, see ya.